Welcome to this beginner's guide to drawing horses. This is an introductory class to the world of animal illustration and painting, starting with one of the most popular animal subjects, the horse. This is a rather challenging animal to start drawing, so throughout this lesson, we are going to break the concept of the horse down into small, manageable pieces in order to get us drawing as quickly as possible. We're going to have a look at the horse's general shapes and structures first before taking a close look at each body part one area at a time, starting from the head and making our way all the way down to the hooves. Throughout this lesson, we'll discuss shape, form, gesture, positioning, articulation, and a couple of other topics as well. At the end of our lecture, there will be a series of draw-along demonstrations for you to follow, and at the end of it all, there will be a timed exercise assignment for you to complete. So, as tricky as the horse is, it can also be really fun to draw. So, if you're up for the challenge, then let's get drawing.